Hello and welcome to part 2 of our series. This is Burn Upon Arrival. This is a Burning Man series. If you haven't already had a chance to watch the first episode, go ahead and check that one out first so that you can get caught up. It's worth a watch to understand why we decided to create this large-scale camp that we call Lip Balm. Also, if you're not a current subscriber to our channel, I want to say thank you so very much for stopping by and giving our content a try. We also know that you have so many options when subscribing, so if we have earned your subscription, please do so and hit that bell icon while you're at it. If this video is not to your liking, go ahead and hit the thumbs down button twice to make sure it registers. So, let's get on to part 2 of Burn Upon Arrival. This will be more of a photo montage due to the fact that we were so overburdened with the camp on playa that we spent so little time behind the camera. Okay, so we left off on episode 1 with our desire to create a camp. We spent a better part of 2014-2015 planning and dumping a lot of money out of our own pocket into buying the infrastructure needed for the camp. Some of the things that we purchased this year was our big top tents. We bought a 60 kilowatt generator. I know it's a little bit of an overkill, but it's really come to great use over the years. And we also bought a new vehicle to pull the trailer, as well as building a bar that we made for our camp. For 2015, the theme was Carnival of Mirrors. The man stood about 69 foot tall, and the Temple of Promise, which was constructed by the Dreamers Guild, featured a 97 foot tall archway entrance that curved pretty much kind of into a tapering and intimate structure. And along the way there were alcoves formed. Now, as you can see, it resembles the Star Trek badge worn on the uniforms from the series. This happens to be the year that Leonard Nimoy passed away, so there was some tie-in to that as well. Now, the population that year was just over 67,000 people. Now, our camp consisted of 25 new members, most of which were first-time attendees from around the world, somewhere from Germany, Australia, Canada, France, and as close as Texas. Now, what really made this burn challenging was a misstep on my part. I had focused so hard on getting everything ready for the camp that I had forgotten to pack my own food as well as clothing. Now, I was held to one change of clothes the whole time and a jacket that I just happened to find in the borrowed trailer we had brought. Meals basically consisted of snack foods I was able to pull together from random people, as well as a few meals that the French campers prepared, which was so very kind of them. I can tell you they did an amazing job with frozen vegetables from a bag. Another aspect of this event that was an issue was the nighttime temperatures, which dipped down into the mid to upper 30s. Now, the daytimes were pleasant though, so that was nice. This brings me to a Burning Man principle that happens to be my favorite, which is radical self-reliance, which is Burning Man encourages the individual to discover, exercise, and rely on their inner resources. I had not prepared properly. I learned it the hard way. Now, most of the camp this year was built by Mary and I, as most of the campers showed up after the event had started. Now, a few of the campers had helped by building parts of the camp at their home and trucking them in, which was great. Everything seemed to come together regardless. One thing about building a camp in this inhospitable environment is you can bet your butt things will and do go wrong often. For 2015, we had just had a small fire in the camp. Aside from that, we all survived, so that was a good thing. We hope you enjoyed this quick episode and hope you can join us for part 3, 2016 Burning Man. You don't want to miss that one. It's a crazy story. Please remember to hit that subscription button as well as the bell icon. Thank you so much for joining us, where Mary and I find our way in every adventure.